In this video, I will show you how to add page numbers in Word. So after you open the Microsoft Word like this, all you have to do, go to this page, go to the insert. After you go to insert, go to page number. After you click on the page number, so there is two options. If you want to add the number at the top of the page, so select this one, top of page. So if you want to add the number at the top, right, top, middle, top, left, so you can select anyone from this option. But if you want to add the page number at the mid at the bottom, so is it bottom of page, at the bottom of page right, at the bottom of page middle, at the bottom of page in the left side. So I'll choose this one, bottom middle. After I select this one, so if you scroll to down, so here is it now, the number has been added. So now all you have to do, just click on this close. So now the number has been added. Now if you want to increase the size of the page number, just double click on the number. So it will give you this option now, highlight the first number. After you highlight the number, go to this home and go to increase font size. So after increase the font size the way you want it, just go to this insert again, and then go to this after you go to this new design, and then go to close. So now you add the page number and you increase the size. So the size has been increased across all the pages, not only one page. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe.